welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to encrypt emails in Outlook 365. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to encrypt your email in Outlook 365, all you gotta do is simply tap it open. Once you simply tap it open, you need to simply start a new message. You need to simply start a new message by signing in and then click on the encrypt button in the toolbar, which is typically a padlock icon. Once you click on Encrypt under the Set Permissions on this item heading, you need to compose and send the email as usual. Once you have done this, your email in Outlook 365 will be encrypted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Till then, thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos, because we will be back again with many more interesting and informative videos like this, and we are sure that you can learn a lot of tutorials in our upcoming videos.